Yes, how do you turn that person over? So we've kind of practiced it and did some different things. I know Kevin was the original group, Sean Murray was with me, and we did these different things to where we could, you know, come up with something that made sense. And this is what we've come up with. Cool. Yeah, we're gonna flip you over. So obviously our patient is gonna be face down in the water. We wanna quickly turn them over. Our main concern is obviously their airway, all right? Obviously we wanna be concerned about any neck or spine injuries or possibly exacerbating that, but we need to manage their airway. So we wanna do this quickly. This best works in deeper water. This is 4 foot. I think the majority of parks and everything like that, we're gonna have at least 5, probably. So that works fine for that. And I can do it with this. So what I'm gonna do is Brock's gonna go unconscious, all right? And I'm just gonna quickly push the board down and get my foot on it to bring him up to here. I'm in toward and I've turned him over, okay? And I'm keeping him in line. Now, if he was deeper, that board, he's gonna come right underneath me. So he's, can you come put the board down flat on the bottom? Stand on.
Need a hand?
No, there we go. So when I bring him down to this position, he's vertical. But if I'm in deep water, obviously his head's at the water line. So it makes it be very, very easy for me to move him into this position. So he lays back, nice and comfortable. He's unconscious. He's not fighting me like he is right now. This is my son, by the way. All right. And then all I'm going to do, and it'll be better on this side, is I'm going to come up alongside and I can support him very easily here. If I'm in 5-6 foot of water, I can still stand. As your rescuer, you should be wearing a Coast Guard approved jacket. It's so much more buoyant. I don't have to work to do that. When I'm on the jet ski for the tournaments, I'm always wearing those. I don't wear these comp jackets. They're great, but they're not great for buoyancy. They don't have the same amount as that Type 3 jacket does for the Coast Guard. So we're gonna be able to support him a lot better, all right? You can call. Hang in there, buddy. All right, so from here, now I can maneuver if I'm able to walk and I'm close to shore, let's just walk over. If I've got a stand-up paddleboard, we can put him up onto that and pull him back. All right, obviously if I'm concerned about C-spine, I'd have a C-collar and I put that on him. And then I move the board underneath, and we put it underneath him like that, and then pull him out of the water whichever way you're gonna do it, okay? You can sit back there. All right, so the goal of this is just to get that turnover. Each park that you're at, each area that you're at is gonna offer a different problem for how you're gonna extricate them physically from the water onto land. But if you can get them secured, if your rescuer makes contact with your victim and gets them secured in such a way that you're able to stabilize them, then you can deal with the other stuff. You know, and we talked a lot about with the other groups about, well, how close is do you know how close away your EMS responder is? That ambulance that's coming to you, how far away are they? Are they right down the street, or are you back down a dirt road? You know, those are the kinds of things you need to think about when you're doing this. Because obviously, you know, you need to think of, at your park, if somebody goes down in the center, how long is it gonna take my rescuer to get to them? What are they going out on? Are they taking a paddleboard? Do you have a ski in the water set up for that? Do you have all those different types of things? And then once you get them to shore, what's our practice from there? You know, this is just a way to open people's eyes to show that it's not easy to flip somebody over. If you're in the water doing it, you see. Another way we used to do it, or can do it, is we come alongside here, and I'm still doing that same one, and all I'm gonna do is take my foot, see how much harder it is. And I'm using my foot to rotate them over. I'm still in this position, holding them, and now I'm here, and then I can switch and move along to the side, okay? Pretty simple stuff. But if you've never done it, you don't see it. But again, the best way, you want to do it again so you can see it?
Sure.
Okay. So again, the best way that we found, it seems to be the best way, is I'm just going to push that board down, and put my foot on it, and I bring them right to me. Go right up into that head lock, and then we're right back. All right? Yeah, good job, buddy.
What about getting that person, like, we don't have